PMAYG hemso lapen illegal mining aphuthak prapjin pen chesong ponji pusi KATSSA Meiphu Samson inti pen pangdak pon patumi phaikoni ni phai ingora troxy arni analo apor langsokangtu mati Silonia long KATSSA Lumbajo Constituency Committee Second Executive Amai Padopon Bangsolong KATSSA CEC Meiphu Samson inti KATSSA CEC Kongchunbang Rangsina Teron KATSSA CEC Klembang Phulapen Arisang Huatum Chitongrut Bangso Second Executive along Lumbajong Constituency Committee atum kachiparai ponaki prapjin pen PMAYG ahemso wrong lapen town arlo kimpon lapen illegal mining aphuthak langchori ponji aphat chiparai ponsi KATSSA CEC atum arideng pajirpon lapen bangso ateng pen KATSSA CEC Meiphu Samson ingti hana tengki prapjin pen karbialong arlo kedoan PMAYG ahemso ketangte kedoan lapu town committee angkang lapen wrong arlo kedoan ahemso ketangte along an humri dangsi kapatang pilapjia phan chesong pipon po lapen karbiano angkang illegal mining kedoan mati jasmet sangti arlong thengpi lapen longle ki koila haihu aron repen karbianong pen angtan kedama puthak prapjin pen chesong ponji pusi pherangkia thengno jaipon manja pen indrajit teron karbi daily news
Yang baik pun bagi krisi dan nonan itu kacing baik pun jadi papas pun tu atipi gen sonti atipi gen pun tu kalau tu aku tak jadi son ke papas pun tu tu aku tak aku thấy con thằng đang đi Lumbajong Constituency KATSSA Lumbajong Constituency senior secretary alang liam si tang mapatu
on the 27/11/2021 held at the public meeting at Siloni Park at 11 a.m. regarding the information of Lumbajong Constituency Committee, and the meeting was proceeded over by Mr. Rajesh Teron, President, Lumbajong Constituency Committee. The object of the meeting was explained by KATSSA General Secretary, that is me, Sarkire Hanse. In the presence of the following distinguished person: Akehai Samson Inti, President, General Assembly; Rangsina Teron, General Secretary; Joy Rongpi, Administrative Secretary; Hong Teron and Rohon Hanse, and Nongthang Inti are also present. The resolution were adopted unanimously. Resolution number 1. The House resolved that the committee will celebrate their Foundation Day at their head office, KATSSA head office, that is Manja, on the 30th of December. Resolution number 2. The House will also resolve that the committee will soon construct their Lumbajong Constituency office building in the upcoming days. Resolution number 3. The House also resolved that the committee will arrange a team visit to all blocks and investigate about the incomplete construction of PMAYG, rural and urban as well. That will be led by KATSSA Central Committee along with us. Resolution number 4. The House will resolve that the committee will fight and stand against the illegal mining in Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong and Dima South as well. Thank you.
Lumbajong kacipati people sini amai bang ke lam si itu tu bah kepada dia
second executive meet padu along pen natul chiparai long number ke thom hijong long dim labang so PMAYG PMAYU pen all block labang so aphuthak pangdak pen itu man na tu tomato pen sike pan cheng la pati claim boji la bang so aphuthak macam ni saja.
Oh, ini dadak Lumbajong Committee Constituency Committee pen kecepati tipon labang suame hapon lo labang suame lo nili tum assembly KATSSA assembly committee tum hatame labang suame lo nang kecitong dun je phang tum tatsuning di kedu polisi nili tum labang suate tani tum assembly committee atum sitame nili tum claim bang kutum junior secretary lapen administrative lapen secretary terong nastan ho lapen militum bang rapet tum na bang si lang tum long la bang so kaching wai kaching sai long militum mong chitong dun lo kasi alang litum la bang so agenda ke pon pen nomor ke thom lapen nomor dia long abang ke alang litum labang so agenda pon si central committee atom phan claim nangji ko labang so proposal wan no nasi ahok lo lumbayong constituency committee presiden na ke hai rajas kerot alang litum la kemat ha pangching si ol karbiang long ang kang pia long lapuson ki du ke la atuma phan government atum pen akirap hem amokha pilo lasi pinangan heklong no ahok no alang litum labang so agenda ke pom sitami churu ring churu nangji alang litum maphat central committee dong khan abang so alam nang ki jaidun lapen claim back nangji punang ki pudun kamera tomhan churu ring ne pipot ma pulote ahok alam lo solang do karbiang lo arat atum sitame chini lapen heklong ahok lo housing for all Central Government BJP atom 2016 pen PMAYG pusi lang tum lakha ponlo amen lar ponlo je AY adim PMAYG longke rural pen alban apilo tasi pinangan atum abang chesong bom lo peklang bom lo blok atum apansi akwai pichot titik je hemso ke tangtik hemso people's government pen ke du ke lak hime jangre atum phan panong si pilo bonta hopet lamang ke teklong bang ke chini bang ke ladak ke chupang lim je gov officer atum engineer ground servok lapen along lapen council along lapen atum tingkar biang long forest board chairman po amen ka chi thang klong chona bang ke chok ke ji lasi la aron re pen ke phur ar long asang di gravel akoy la amokha prapjin pen alang lilong ar pudo alang lito forest board chairman nasi alang li sitame ke chilang nang ya subject bino nasi ni tum soda pen alang le phanta tuning report no nasi la soni abang ke ni tum memorandum sitame council phan principal secretary phan la pen cm la phan sitame ni tum penong na ko la pen da soni son thoma long abang ke cm ma thang mata pulo komane yong si hem patang tedet komane yong si karat det engineer officer atum dokok video dokok pudo tangga prapjin pen alang nili tum phan pachini kami puta alang li pinangan ni news sa piparong kakiklang tangdok la so teng pensi alang li alam cara teng pen bangsi ni litung bangke putot iklem puja phan la pe pachini ke phan la pe ke tangte song ke petanya phan la pen aron re pen ke khur ke pon ar long sang ti ke khang lung ji pansi ni litung lumbayong akomiti atung kachingwai along ni tung kachidon lo na bangke la sini tum so da pen asoni a subject abang ke forest a department la pen hemso ke tangte potha bangke sodak pansi chisong ponang kok